This is a regular JAMB question, and I want us to solve it together. The volume of 22 grams of carbon dioxide at standard temperature and pressure is equivalent to what? Before you solve questions like this, pay attention to this bracket and what is in there, because that is where your answer is coming from. If you don't pay attention to the bracket, you may find it difficult to find the answer. Before we continue, so let's tackle this problem. This 12 is the atomic mass of carbon, and we have carbon in this compound, right? And this 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen, and we have oxygen in this compound. Molar volume 22.4 dm³. Molar volume is the volume. You know, volume is a space occupied by 1 mole of a gas, and 1 mole of every gas contains the mass known as formula mass. The formula for carbon dioxide is CO2, and the formula mass of this is the sum total of the atomic weights. Carbon is 12, we have 12 here, plus oxygen 16, you write 16, there are 2 oxygen atoms, times 2, and we have what? 12 plus 32, and that is 44 grams. This formula mass is contained in 1 mole, and that is why it is called molar mass. Interestingly, 1 mole of every substance occupies a volume known as molar volume, and that is given already, 22.4 dm³. So the formula mass of any gas already occupies 1 mole of that gas, and 1 mole of a gas occupies 22.4 dm³. This is a constant. We have found the volume occupied by 44 grams. 44 grams, which is the formula mass, occupies this volume, right? Therefore, 22 grams, we occupy which volume? We call it Y volume, Y dm³. What we are going to do is, this 44, we divide it by 22.4. This 22 also, we divide it by Y. So that when we clear the fraction, Y times 44 is 44Y, right? If 22.4 multiply 22, we just write it 22.4 times 22. So Y alone will give us 22.4 times 22, you repeat, divided by this coefficient, 44. You can see that 22 can divide 44. 22 divide 22, 1. And 22 divide 44, 2. 22.4 divided by 2. 2 cancel 22, and we have 11. 2 cancels 4, we have 2. So the answer is 11.2 dm³. This is the volume occupied by 22 grams. But assuming you are in exam hall and this is OBJ, you can use common sense to find the volume. How? This is 22 grams, and this is the formula mass. The formula mass is double of 22. Therefore, any volume that this 22 will occupy is going to be half of this molar volume, which is 11.2. So our answer is C. Please click on the plus sign and follow us. Share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.